bird swoops past my windowsill, and she sings, yes, she sings. Good Lord, she sings, and she whispers to me, my boy, are they being united? Are they being enlightened? Or have they been misguided? Unity is grace, dignity is strength, and nothing ever shall divide us again. A bird drifts past my window, and she sings, yes, she sings. Good Lord, she sings, and she whispers to me, boy, when we get together, we'll stay in love forever. We'll overcome this weather. Dignity is grace, unity is strength, and nothing ever shall